You want to show them what this weapon can do?
Oh yeah? You guys want to hear it?
Woo! Oh my gosh! This dude is gonna be a drift monster. It is now 8 o'clock in the morning and we're still working. What we got going on?
I still have to work the busiest day of the year at work in 5 hours, and I'm an hour from home with no traffic, and I'm doing this right now, and I didn't sleep. But hey, it made sick turbo noises. No cap. This shit was leaking right here. This fitting out of my oil filter was leaking like a bitch. And I had another one, but it's the same thing. Put a bunch of thread sealer on it, put it back in. And I'm hoping for the best here.
He's very determined to drive it before we leave.
I must drive it. I've lost all my sleep. I only have a few hours left.
What's a man gotta do to drive his Miata?
Should I like tighten this thing like all the way or? We started it a few times, trying to process the leaks. It still leaks out of the oil filter thing. I don't know what's going on. We got it to be a little bit better with one of the little fittings that's on top of it. Tightened it a little bit with a key as much as we could. But I think it's good enough to drive. It is time to drive.
Straight, straight, straight. All right. It feels weird. All right. $200 coolant. 201. Left. Alright. 204 already. 205. 206. Go a little quicker. 207. 208. Come on. 209. 210. Alright, now, yeah, I might have to like let it cool right here.
Should I try to give it some air?
Oh, yeah. Alright, take it easy, take it easy. It went down. It went down a little bit. Alright, now go on it easy. Oh.
Easy is what makes it do that.
Alright, so. It's just tweaking with the manifold, probably. There we go. Woo! We got booze!
Oh my god!
Alright, do it again.
This road's fucked.
Yeah. We're at 206 coolant. Oh, we went down. Oh.
Yeah, that's right.
Whoa, whoa. Was this? Oh, I was like, what was that? Is this road chill right here? Or that road's chill too. Go there. Oh, yeah, that took off good. It should be nicer here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, bruh. That was like too fast. That was fast.
This is so fast. Is it
don't know. I should date a lot. Okay, buddy. All right. You're just giving her the beans now, aren't you? Chill.
Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That shit is great. Check for a snail trail.
Yeah. All right, there's the snail trail. All right, there's the snail trail.
So Alan set up a little ganja tea with a cap on it, and when I hit a lot of boost, that cap went flying, and I don't know where it is. So I am now the cap, and we are driving back. That's some funny shit. Okay, give me initial.
Ready?
First.
What?
It's revving first.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Here you go.
You ready for second?
Yeah. All right. Can you fight the boost? Oh my gosh.
What is going on? We're on Poop Road. But it's chill. It's not chill.
Yeah, take it easy, bud. Oh my god. Oh my god. Take it easy. Slow down.
No.
Your suspension's not good for this. We're gonna hit the ground.
If I slow down, I'll start bucking all crazy. I don't want to.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see.
The bucking Miata.
It's gonna stay.
Let's see. No, it should go down. There it goes. Wait for it.
Oh, there's two behind me.
There it is.
Is this the way you went?
What?
Is this the way you were saying you went?
Well, no, I went up Ivy, but we can go this way too. I'll show you these barn dominions.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It's nice over here, yeah. Nice ass houses. What?
Sewer cat. Trying to take my oil can from me.
Well, be careful. There's plenty of those.
I gotta watch him. Sounds so nerdy.
Whoa.
Yeah, these
Your
coils-
car is way too low.
Yeah, the coils are low. That's why it's this bad.
Just take it slow. There's a lot of fucking dips. Yeah, it's crazy when you're going uphill.
It just takes you up the hill. Oh my god.
Oh, there's Dipsy.
This is scary.
There's a little like canyon up here.
Downhill fucker.
Whoa, big farm. It's a cool farm. All right, this is tight, so. Hitting the canyons. All right, go left here. For sale. Okay, keep going.
Yeah, it's lowered. Yeah, it does. I just put one on. Yeah, thanks, bro. Yeah, that's sick. You gotta get a Miata. Yeah, how old are you? Oh, damn. That's crazy. All right, well, I'll see you around, man. Thank you. Yeah, we made it to Chick-fil-A at a solid 213 degrees, but we made it to Chick-fil-A. And we also, right when we parked, we secured a $1,000 G35, so that's cool too. No sleep, it's 10:30. Chick-fil-A ends breakfast at 10:30. We made it at 10:29. We got breakfast. Haven't never had it before, but we made it in the Turbo Miata. Yeah. Yeah, the J-Dog. Kind of clapped. All right. So we did drive the car, as you have already seen. So I think it's fair to say start car is crossed off. Now, it's not done. It still needs a tune.
You gotta cross that out.
The journey has just begun, and it is amazing. It feels crazy drifting, like crazy. You guys don't get it. You don't get it.